Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I am going to be unbagging my order from PLouise. So I'm so excited to get into it. If you want to know what I got and all about it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification down below so you can be part of my family. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so as usual, I haven't opened it at all yet. I always like to open up my stuff right along with you guys so I can give you guys what my first impressions are. So just a little backstory, I did order this back in May 5th, but PLouise is in the UK, so it took a little bit longer for it to get to me. So today it is May 29th, so it's almost at the end of the month. Plus we do have that COVID-19 that's going on, so I know like the shipping kind of got delayed due to that as well. But anyhow, it's finally here and I'm so excited to get into it. I have seen this base everywhere and so far I've heard a lot of really good things, that it's like the best eyeshadow base out there. So I am so excited to get into it, you guys. Let's see what they sent out. Okay, so it was this. I actually don't even remember what I ordered, to be honest. Like I don't remember off the top of my head. But this is the first item that they sent out, and this is a Base Pro 30 milliliters, and it is taking your makeup to pro status. So this is one of the items I ordered. Shit, I honestly don't even remember what I ordered. But we're gonna break into it right now in a little bit. All right, and then the next item that I got was this right here. Dude, I don't even remember what it is. But anyhow, so this is the Acid Rain Health History, and it's like a little paintbrush. Oh, I did. I ordered like a trio, like a brush set trio. Okay, so anyhow, this is what this looks like, and I think that was it. Wait, oh, there's one more. And I did order the white base, yes, because I wanted my eyeshadow to pop, so I did order this white base. What else? What else? I think that was it. I think that is it, guys. So let's go ahead and just break into it. So this one was the first one, and I think I ordered the big one. Yeah, I think this is the really big one. I wanted to order a little one, but I actually ordered the big one because I thought it was more bang for your buck. So I ended up ordering the big one. I think that's what this one is. Yes, it is. Oh my god, this is huge. I am like set for life. I don't think I will ever need to reorder. I don't think I can possibly run out because I'm pretty sure a little bit of this goes a very long way. Unfortunately, I already do have my makeup on, so I'm just gonna unbox it or whatever. And then I will be doing like another clip to actually try out the items. So far, this is what I got, and this is the PLouise Base Pro, taking your makeup to pro status. It's the cosmetic base. This one was in the shade number 2, and it was called Rumors. And this is what the base looks like. So let's open it up. This is what the little packaging looks like. So it's like a little squeezy tube. I feel like this shade would be like the best shade to go with my complexion. So it's kind of like a nude shade, like a nude, yeah, like a nude color, I think. All right, so it kind of looks like a concealer. That's what it looks like, but let's rub it. And it's nice and creamy. Oh my god, and I just like literally put a dot, but when blending it out, it's nice and creamy. Like the consistency of it is very nice. So that's what it looks like. And I also did order the white one. This one is in the number 0, and this is just like a pale white shade, and it is a lot smaller than that one because I think I would get more use out of this one. But anyhow, this is what this one looks like. Let's see. Let's just put a small little dot. Like it's literally a small little dot. It goes like a very long way to make your eyeshadow pop. But let's see. Oh my god. Yeah, I like this already. Okay. So that's what the white one looks like. So these are the two bases that I ordered. Oh my god, I'm so excited to actually try them out. Okay, and then now for this little brush here, let's open it up. I do not want to rip the packaging. Okay, yes, this is what I did order. order. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little paintbrush. Okay, so this is the little trio, and it comes with this brush here. So it's like a flat art brush. So you would like, I don't know, to apply your face, I guess. So this one's the first one. The next one is a really small one. It's a lot shorter than the other one. Here, and I'll show you in comparison. So it's a lot shorter than the other one, but it does have a really nice angle to it. Oh my god, I actually kind of really like this for my eyebrows. So here is the second brush, and then the third brush is this one. And it looks like you can use it like as an eyeliner, or like you could do extra details with it. Okay. And then this is what this one looks like. All right, guys, so this is what I got from my PLouis order. So we are gonna be trying them out. Okay, so this is the brush set trio. We're gonna be trying them out and we're gonna create a look, but not today. We will do that at another day when I do not have my makeup on. But so far, I'm so excited to get into these items, so stay tuned for the rest. Hey guys, so I am back today and I have minimal makeup on. We are gonna actually put these items to test. So we are gonna be using our 3 brushes. I'm gonna be using both of the bases. The shade is 0 and the shade number 2. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. So we're gonna start off with this base. It's 02. I'm gonna be using this brush right here. This is the flat brush that came in the trio. It's the yellow one. It's nice and flat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of the base onto my hand, like so. A little bit goes a very, very long way. I do have kind of puffy eyelids this morning. I went to sleep super late last night, so that's the reason why. But we're gonna go ahead and start dabbing this onto our eyelid, like so. Okay guys, so this is what my eyelid is looking like once it's all primed. It has really good coverage compared to this eye that doesn't have anything. You can see the little blue veins that I have on my little puffy eye over here. So we're gonna be working on one eye at a time because I noticed that this base is drying pretty quickly, so I gotta move fast. Here is the first shade that I'm gonna start to lay down. And I'm gonna start right here. So, okay. So I'm gonna start to slowly build up this orange shade here. The color looks super vibrant in person. So slowly but surely, I'm gonna start to build that color. Now I do notice that my brush is kind of like tugging a little. Usually it doesn't tug, but it does. It is tugging a little, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the base, because it's a cream base. That's totally something that's out of my comfort zone because I always do my eyeshadow with a concealer and then I set my concealer. So this is definitely something different. Okay, so I'm gonna start by laying this orange shade down. Okay, so I am back. This is what it is looking like once I am done laying down that orange shade. It's super bright and bold. I'm now gonna go in with this yellow shade. Now I'm gonna start to go in very light-handed because the base really picks up that pigment from the eyeshadow and it pops even more. So I'm slowly gonna start blending this yellow shade on the top of my brow bone. I'm also gonna be doing little tapping motions. You don't wanna go in heavy-handed. So just work your way up because the color will really stick on there. So I'm picking up 2 different yellows. I'm picking up the yellow from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well as the yellow that's in the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. So I'm slowly tapping in this yellow shade onto my brow bone. Okay, so this is what what it is looking like once I laid down that yellow shade. I am now gonna go in and draw my eyebrows in. So I'll be right back with that. I always like to do my eyebrows kind of in the middle so I can kind of know how to frame them. So I'll be right back with my eyebrows and then we'll move on to the next shade. Okay guys, so we are all done using these two products. So we are done using the base in 02 and we are done using the Acid Rain Artist brush. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next products that we have not tried out yet. So we are now gonna move on to the base in the number 0. It's plain white. And I'm gonna be using the little angled brush. Ooh, it's really hard to see, but it looks like this. I'm actually gonna use this base to cut my crease, and we're gonna cut the crease by using this brush here now. Okay, so I'm gonna actually set the crease with this shade right here. It's really pretty. It's like a silver white metallic shade. It's actually very, very pretty. And it does have a lot of shimmer and sparkle and shine on it. Oh my god. I love how it's laying down very, very nicely. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So let me finish laying this down and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is what my eyelids are looking like once I set the cut crease. Now all I have to do is use this little brush right here. It looks like a little eyeliner brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some of the white base. I'm gonna put some on my hand and I'm gonna scrape this really pretty blue shade right here. Gonna mix it into the white base to create a blue cream. I'm gonna use this brush to apply it as an eyeliner. So I'm gonna create my own blue eyeliner. So that's what I'll be doing next. Okay guys, so this is what my blue eyeliner is looking like. It kind of got mixed into like a paste because it became a little bit thicker after I put the pigment in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and pick some up with this angled brush and I'm gonna start to apply this as an eyeliner. So this is our last product that we needed to try out and I'll give you my whole final thoughts at the very end. Okay guys, so here is my complete look after putting that blue eyeliner and applying my falsies and I did the rest of my face. This is what the full look is. You guys, I'm like shook. This base is pretty amazing. It's nothing similar to what I have tried before in the past. And my eyeshadows are like in place. Right where I set them, that's where they're staying. There's no creasing, no nothing like that. The eyeshadows are super bright and bold and vibrant. Like I am totally obsessed with how this whole look came out. So I highly recommend PLouise if you guys were curious as to if it works and how the tools work out as well. Like the tools are amazing, so it's totally worth it. I highly recommend it. I went with the whole color scheme of my shirt. So I added the orange, the yellow, the blue. And I love how it came out. It actually came out really, really nice. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.